Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
Hello guys, this is How to Solve, and now I am going to teach you how to fix Minecraft when it is unable to connect to worlds. So when you are playing Minecraft, these things happen when your Minecraft will be unable to connect to worlds, to your multiplayer or your friends. So there are a few things that we can do about this. So let's try to open our Minecraft first. So this is just a beta, okay, a Minecraft beta. So there are things that we can do for you to connect to worlds. So the first thing is that we must check the app settings. So let's go to apps and go to general. Then we must allow mobile data for online play, and then on with Wi-Fi or mobile data. This is because maybe you are using a mobile data and that's why it doesn't work. Or maybe if you would play with a multiplayer, make sure that you are using the same Wi-Fi. So that's the first one. And the next one is to check the app version, so the Minecraft version. So to do that, we must go back and go to our settings. Scroll down and find the apps. Once we are here, go to app management and search for Minecraft. So in here it says that it is a Minecraft version 1.19.80.821. So that is the app version, and if you are playing with the other multiplayer or in different worlds, then you must be in the same version or much version. And then the next one is to delete the storage usage of the app. So to do that, let's go to storage usage and simply clear the data. So by doing this, you are restarting the app, and the app will much likely be easier to use, and it will just restart and everything will be put into places, and you will be able to connect to other worlds.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.